The Philippines is now very much open and adopting many innovations to increase its productivity. We're using cooperative enhancement development services, data analytics, and also digital platforms to improve our marketing. The Department of Agriculture is currently having a program for startups, especially for the youth. We have our Young Farmers Challenge to encourage our young agripreneurs. We do support them, we give them financial support, additional funding, and we also do a collaborative work with them to be able to expand. And the Department of Agriculture is there to assist them to be able to collaborate more and to partner, not just with LGUs, not just with private entities, but also for them to be exposed to the whole world by bringing them to trade fairs and trade shows